Today let's make this gorgeous bow to enhance anyone's gift wrap. Alright, the first thing that I did was just take my ribbon and tie it around the gift wrapped box. We'll put this aside and now we'll start to make our bow. So we'll go ahead and go to the overhead camera and I'll take some Bowdabra Bow Wire and I cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half and lay this down into my Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath. Then I have these pieces of, this is just literally a scrap ribbon bow. So I just have all these scraps of ribbon and I'm just going to lay them in and I'm kind of just shaping them a little bit as I go. And we have our beautiful Merry Christmas ribbon. And just kind of shape those out. Take this. So what's really nice about this bow is you can just mix and match. And if you want to know what we're using, the dimensions of the ribbon are all in the description box below the video. Just take that. Then I have this Christmas pick. We're just going to lay that down into my Bowdabra and give everything a good scrunch. Take my Bowdabra bow wire. The reason I fold it in half is because now I have a slip knot. So I just pull it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, tie it off, and knot it. And now I'm just going to shape it, shape my little ornament balls in the middle, bring my Merry Christmas ribbon apart. And what's nice about this bow is you can use scraps of ribbon that you might have left over from last year's holidays, and yet they're not long enough to make a traditional bow with. And now all I'm going to do is just tie this onto my box, and I'm not going to knot it. I'm just going to do a shoelace bow, because that way the person who receives the gift can save the bow if they'd like. So you have a very pretty, easily, quickly gift wrapped but beautiful package. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.